Hi, this is Rob Gordon from the Noonan LSA Academic Advising Office. As you get ready to register for classes, we have created a series of Wolverine Access tutorials to help explain how to backpack and register for classes. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to find your backpack and then how to add classes to your backpack. So here's what you need to do. First, you need to make sure you have two windows open. Window 1 should be the online LSA course guide right here, and window 2 should be Wolverine Access right here. Now that you have both windows open, click on Student Business, Student Center, Backpack Registration, and then make sure you're in the right terms. That's going to be fall 2021. And now you're in your backpack. So for this demonstration, we're going to backpack Econ 101, which has both a lecture and a discussion. So we're going to go back to the course guide, type in Econ 101, hit search, scroll down, and you can see that there are 5 different lectures to choose from. We're going to click on the first one with Professor Proul, and you can see the white bubble around the course that you've selected. So this is the lecture that you have selected. It's important to note that these discussion sections right here all go with this first lecture. There are other lectures with other discussion sections, but you can't take this discussion section and match it with this lecture. So this is the lecture time. It's Monday and Wednesday from 10 to 11:30. It's remote. The discussion sections are going to be in person, and you need to make sure that both the lecture and the discussion section are open. In this case, that's fine. So we're going to click on the first discussion section here, and that one is Thursday from 8:30 to 10, and it's open. And so what we need to do, instead of clicking on the 5-digit course code for the lecture, we're going to click on the 5-digit course code for the discussion section. So double click on the 5-digit course code, right click, hit copy, go back to Wolverine Access, and in this little tab here where it says enter class number, right click, hit paste, and then enter. And you'll see that this is the lecture and the evening exam time. Both are open. Hit next. And then you can see the entire components of the class. So the lecture, discussion, evening exam time, all of that's included. These are all of the times here. If that looks good, click next. And now the class is in your backpack. We'll have other tutorials about how to actually register for classes, and we hope this helps and have a good orientation.